Okay, everyone, welcome back to Digital Skills. So let's do something very cool with Python. Last time we used this library turtle and designed this heart, so we can see it. This is how it goes. So now we use this to do something from also title library. So we will import the title library and import. So when we use the asterisk, use the asterisk. Okay, then let's use the background color here, and let's use black color in this one, and let's give the speed let's give it to 0, because if you did not identify the speed value, and it will go somewhere, so then we just hide the total, then we run back for int range. Okay, so here we can give it 120. Let's close it. Alright, so then our color will be let's use let's say blue, because blue is one of my favorite. Okay, let's say blue. Okay, when we have the blue here, then we use a cycle. Okay, the cycle, then we already identify our eye here, so then the color will give it blue and let's say orange or red. Okay, let's say red, and see what would happen here. And then the cycle, will give it, then we'll say I 0.8. yeah. Okay, so from that, then it will start from right, 3, then forward, 3 also, done. Okay, so now let's see what we have here. Wow, amazing. Wow. So thank you, see you next round. Bye bye.